found abandoned Henry Hoover. Yeah, dumb.
Where was this? Like you guys...
Right here. Yeah, we didn't fall over there. It was over there by ourselves. We found it.
Is it abandoned?
Yeah, look over there. You see that?
Oh, wow. He is very messy, isn't it?
Don't check the feet.
Oh my gosh, his eyes have even been... Wow, the weeds are growing on him, guys. Wow.
What? Look, our baby's bed.
No, but that's like a messy, abandoned Henry Hoover.
Yeah. And then this might be almost era. That.
Yeah.
Are you guys supposed to on a what?
Should we try owning it?
Yeah, right there.
Alright then.
Woo.
So Uzi, part 3. Let's see. We plugged him in after how long? I don't know. How many months? Abandoned. Uzi, do you want to do?
Hoover's leaking.
Oh yeah, he was leaking water as well, guys. Oh my gosh, the Hoover turned on! What the? Guys, the Hoover actually turned on after being abandoned for so many months. Wow. Any suction? You still got suction?